Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be studying class 5th, chapter number 1, Roman numerals. So before starting with the chapters, we need to understand what are Roman numerals. Roman numeral itself says these kind of numbers which have been given in your textbook are supposed to be as Roman numbers. Okay, you all can see it over here. It can be in the form of clock. In clock also they represent it in the form of numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So these are Roman numbers, Roman numerals. We have to convert it into international numbers. Okay, so international numbers means the numbers that we write, that is from 1 to infinite numbers. Such numbers are said to be as international numbers. Okay, so conversion of Roman numbers into numbers or numerals, you all can represent it in this form which is being given in your textbook. Some examples have been given, we have to practice it. But before that, we are going to study how to write Roman numbers from number 1 to 10. Okay, so how are you going to write 1? So 1 is in this form, 2 is in this form, 3, you all can write it in this way, 4, then comes 5, 6, 7, 8, then comes 9. So first 1 and then X. Now I'm going to explain you from where did these numbers come, from where did these signs come. Okay, so hang on for that also. Then comes 10. Okay, now till 5 I think it is clear to everyone how you all have to write. Now over here 4 means it is very easy. 1, 2 and 3 you all can remember. 4 means it can be represented as 5 minus 1, which is going to be 4. Okay, because this 1 is in front of 5. Okay, see this is 5. So 5 minus 1 is going to be 4. For 6, how are you going to write? 5 plus 1 is supposed to be 6. Now 5 means this sign, 1 means this sign. Then over here also 5 plus 1 or 5 plus 2. Okay, so in this way it has been represented. Next is going to be 5 plus 1, 2, 3. So you all can directly write 3 or 1 plus 1 plus 1 also you all can write it. For 9, how are you going to write it? That is going to be 10 minus 1. As same as we have done for 4, that is 5 minus 1. So when this 1 comes before, we have to subtract it. And when this 1 comes after, you all have to add it. It's very simple and you all have to understand this concept because we need to use this concept for the exercise also. Now we are going to study how to write the Roman numbers from 11 to 20. Same concept we are going to use over here also, children. So don't worry, I will explain you step by step how you have to write the numbers from 11 to 20. So 11, that means 10 plus 1. So how 10 is written? In the form of X. Okay, and 1 we all know. Got it? So this is your Roman number. Then comes 10 plus 2, that is 12. Isn't it? 10 plus 2 is going to be 12. So 10 plus 2. Then 10 plus 3. I think the concept is very much clear with everyone now. 10 plus 4. So how 4 is written? You all can check it over here. 4 is written in this form. So 10 plus 4. Then comes 10 plus 5 is going to be 15. So 10 and V. Got it? Now for 16, again I am going to tell you, you all have to understand how it is been written. So 16 means 10 plus 6. So how is 10 written? And then you all have to write 6. Got it? 10 plus 7. So 10 and then the sign of 7. 10 plus 8. So 10 and then 8. As we have written 8 over here, you all can see the same way I have written 10 plus 8. For 19, it is going to be 10 plus 9, which is going to be 10 and then 9. 20. 10 plus 10, that means x and double x. Got it? So I hope you all can write the Roman numbers from 1 to 10 and 11 to 20 very easily. And from the problem set, the same question is been asked. Write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. So in a quick way, I'm going to explain you all how you all have to write the Roman numbers. Just now we have done. So in this form, you all have to write this question. Above, I have explained you all from where did it come. But over here, you all have to directly write the Roman numerals for the given numbers. Then comes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you all are confused, as I said, you all can practice this and then write the Roman numerals. Alright, so both the ways I have explained you all, from where did the numbers come, how can we write the Roman numbers if it is a bigger number. Okay. So while writing the numbers, it won't be difficult if you all are going to use 10 plus 7, and then for 18, 10 plus 8, for 19, 10 plus 9, for 20, in this way. Okay, so for this question, you all have to write it in this form, children. But if you all are not able to understand it in a proper way, you all can write it in this way also. Both the ways it is accepted. Everything is going to be correct if it is in this form or in this form. Alright, now let's move on to the next question, which is write the following numbers using international numerals. Okay, now as I said, what are international numerals? The numbers that we have studied, that is from 1 to infinite numbers. So how is 5 written? So I have taught you all from 1 to 20, isn't it? Same way you all have to use that method to write the numeral if the bigger number is being given. Small numbers, I know you all will be able to do it, but bigger numbers you all can add and then write it. So I'm going to show you how you have to add and everything. I'm going to show you over here. So 5, very easily we can write 5. Okay, now this is 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2, that means it is 7. You all can write it in this way. If it is not clicking, then you all can add it. If it is clicking you all, then you all can directly write the numbers. Now this is 10 plus 1, 2, 3, isn't it? So this number is supposed to be 13. 10 plus 4, so this is going to be 14. 10 plus 6, this is going to be 16. Many of you all get confused over here only between 4 and 6. So remember, if you all are having this one before, that means it is 14. If it is after, that means it is 16. Then comes 10 plus 1, 2, 3. So 18. And this is supposed to be, let me check the question, it is right. Yes, it is right. So this is 9. Okay, that is 10 minus 1. Now let's move on to the next question. Fill in the empty boxes. So this is number 3. Okay, so you all have to write it in the form of Roman numbers. When Roman numbers has been given, you all have to write it in the form of words. When words have been given, you all have to write it in the form of numerals. 12, so you all have to write the spelling of 12. Then comes 15, so 10 plus 5, and 19 I have forgotten to write. So Roman numeral has been given, and here you all have to write 19. Got it? Now the next question is write the numbers using Roman numerals. Now international numbers have been given, you all have to write the Roman numbers. That means 9, we all know how to write 9. 4 is over here, so I will write 4. Then comes 2, then comes 11. Now be careful over here for writing 11, 10 plus 1. So 10 and then 1. For 17, 10 plus 7. So how 7 has been written, that you all have to understand. Okay, so 5, 6, 7. For 18, 10 plus 5, okay, plus 3. Now comes the international numbers. So the international number is 4. So this is, you all have to find which one is been correct. International numbers have been given, Roman numbers have been given, international numbers have been given, Roman numbers have been given. You all have to find which one is right and which one is wrong. Okay, which pair is right and which pair is wrong. So 4, and this is not the way we write 4. Okay, we write 4 in a different way. So this pair is wrong. 6, we write it in this way, so it is right. 8, so this is wrong. Okay, 8 we write 5 plus 3. This is the form of 8. So this is again a wrong pair. 16, 10 plus 5 plus 1, 16. 15, we don't write 15 in this way. Okay, we write 10 and 5. So this is also the wrong pair. Now let's move on to the Roman numerals and numerals. So this is I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Okay, so Roman numbers we have learned till 20, but there are few that we have to understand while solving the bigger numbers. Okay, so bigger numbers are represented by which numbers or which numerals, you all have to understand that. So I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. Okay, so in this way you all have to write the Roman numerals, and over here the chapter is over. Next chapter I will be starting in the next video. Till then you all have to practice this chapter, and if there is any problem regarding any question, you all can comment in the comment section so that I can answer all your queries. Till then, take care. See you in the next video. Bye.